What's up guys? So today ang first day ng dance practice ni Kuya Riley. So sinali natin siya sa dance club. So pakita mo daw yung dance move mo. Hey! Hi guys! So papunta na kami doon sa school, no? Kung saan gagawin yung dance practice ni Riley. Kita-kita nyo naman yung mga moves namin, di ba? Pang malupitan. So kailangan na talaga ng dance, kailangan isali sa dance club ito si Riley. So let's go guys. See you later. Matyagal. 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 Hi guys, nandito na kami sa kotse, no? So Riley, are you excited? It's your first day, bro. So kailangan galingan mo, ha, para magkaroon ka ng talent katulad ni Daddy. Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa school ni Riley. Ayan yung school ni Riley. There.
Why are we parking?
Are you excited, bro?
Yeah. Why are we parking here?
Ayan, ayan na yung school ni Riley. So hanapin natin yung school ni Riley. Hanapin natin yung classroom para sa hip-hop dance practice.
Yeah, I already know where that is. I'll show you.
So ayan guys, hanapin natin yung classroom. Hip-hop classroom.
I'll show you where the hip-hop classroom is.
Yeah, show me. You know it? Really?
I've seen it 1,000 times. So
Where is it?
it's so dark here.
Hi. Where is it? Show me. Where?
101.
This one?
Yeah.
Really? Come on, come on. Is that a hip hop or no? Come on, let's ask. Go, 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 go. Go inside. So ayun guys, nasa classroom sa Riley. Andun sila, no? So hindi ko ma-videoan. Akala ko dyan sila sa gym. Doon pala sila sa loob ng classroom. Pero abangan natin. Kasi 2 hours session naman yun. So abangan natin si Riley. Wala, ang dami nila. So yung mga lods, sobrang dami pala nila, no? Punong-puno yung classroom. So hatiin daw sila into 4 groups. So hintayin natin si Riley, no? Bibidyoan natin siya kung anong group siya. How is it? Good.
Hi guys. I'm done with my hip-hop dance.
Yeah,
So
next week
I'm
again.
just outside here. Oh, look at there!
thank you for watching.
Are they playing volleyball?
Yeah. So, thank you for watching.
So thank you for watching. Bye guys.